I'm Susan. Today is day 18 and 19 of Dephemerember. And it's day 18 because, once again, I don't know what's wrong with me. I filmed a whole video without actually, I guess, cutting my camera on, or whether I lost the footage. I don't know. All I know is when I got ready to edit my video, the main part of me putting together this and decorating it wasn't there. So I'm just going to tell you about 18, which is my handmade stencil notepad. And I just stapled in, this is some of the vegetable netting that you get, you know, like onions came in this. And I tried spraying through it. That didn't work. But I laid it down and did it with my oxides, and that worked much better. I know you can't really see it, but it did. It left a little marking. And then I just, from some cardstock, I just used with an X-Acto knife and just cut out some shapes. And I just laid it down and did that. And I just went around with a metallic gel pen and a metallic marker for the centers of the flowers. And I just had a little fun. And then I just added in a piece of tulle that I had. I used a snail, and this is a little bit of that bag that I put up under it. And I just sewed it on my sewing machine, just flipped it over and made a notepad. And then I just added in different papers in that. And that's really all there was to this. Now, for today, 19, our prompts are fabric and a page tab. And what I'm just gonna make a quick, easy little page tab with some scraps I've got and some bits and pieces. And I'm going off script, and I'm just gonna, this animal wasn't included in the one that Luise did, but I'm gonna add in a wolf on mine, and I figured a charm was the best way to add it on a tab. So this challenge, by the way, is hosted by Luise Heinzl and Barbara 49 Dragonflies, and please check out their channels and the hashtag Dephemerember just to see what everyone who is smart enough to keep their camera rolling made. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. It's a little busy, but I still like it. It's the first fabric tab I've done. I've got my little wolf. Now, I did keep it more plain on this side. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Luise's and Barbara's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember. And until next time, bye y'all.